and do. Okay. Why don't we, you can probably cut it after that. Okay. So, did everyone get a sheet? All right. I'm going to read through the words. Ossel, the donkey. Cow is bo. Sheep is kura. Horse is hopple. A hen. Okay, now chicken is shikin, but a hen is kerk. A rooster is kulach. A rabbit's kanin. Spider, dawan Allah. Dolphin is delf. An otter is doberhu. And a hippopotamus is dobrach. And a swan is ella. Seagull, fuilon. Elephant is elephant. Deer is fia. A rat is franca. Goat is gaur. Lobster, glomach. Fish is iesk. An eagle is oler. Duck is lacha. Lion is lon. Mouse is loch. Wolf is maktira. Whale is meal more. A monkey is monkey. Snake is naher. Crab is porton. Seal is ron. Bat is skiohan laher. Shark is shark. Jellyfish is smuggler roin. Sorry, not a hippopotamus. What do you call those things? Rhino is thronvanach. A bull is tarf. And an owl olchavan.
So what's the difference in Gower and
Both a goat, yeah.
So the hippopotamus and the otter, what does that?
Yeah, Dover has to do with water, so it's Hu is a hound. So Dover Hu is a water hound. Okay? And Ach is another word for horse. So Doverach is a water horse. Which actually makes a lot of sense if you know it. Huh?
You're saying a the sound, right? Dover?
Yeah. You're going to hear it either as Dover or Dover. You're going to hear it both ways.
What is the meal?
Because it's so common.
Meal is something like creature, or some kind of thing like it's not used by. It's not. It has a couple uses besides that, but it's some kind of idea of a creature-y thing.
How about the bat? What does that mean literally?
Skiohan laher is a leather wing, a wing of leather. Skiohan is wing, laher is of leather. And smuggler roin is seal. It's actually seal spit. Yeah, seal spit. Smuggler is a spit. Of roin is of a seal, so it's a spit of a seal. Or spittle or whatever. Yeah. And naher, which is a snake, you often get as naher niva, which is a snake of poison if it's a poisonous snake. Okay.
What straw means? Nose. What does the vanach mean?
It's like a horn, yeah.
So unicorn in Vanna.
Yeah, unicorn.
Fia's wild thing?
Fionn is wild, so Fia is just a deer.
When would they use Fionn?
Fionn would be wild.
It's wild.
Yeah, that's the word for wild, yeah. Okay. So let's go, we'll do one.